All right, let's dive into Ableton. Let's get a brand new live set going. I want to try to process this in a way where it's low key but bumpy. You know, it's really bumps. Let's pull out our EQ. We're going to try to simplify this a little bit. We're going to shave off the highs. I was thinking we would chop this, but if we lowered the BPM, lowered the, transposed it down, boom, it's a Freddie Gibbs, it's a Freddie Gibbs type beat. I want just a little spritzing of some trumpet or sax. But let's keep it contemporary and laid back. We just gotta use our imagination. Think about, what if this was in key? Woo! I like that little... Oh, we got something in here. Wait, we gotta experiment with this. And we're gonna process this down, you know. We're gonna make it sound... we're gonna really minimize it in the mix. There's the one note in here that I'm not agreeing with. It's this guy. So let's change him. Not a huge fan of that note either. You know, and in fact, I feel like we should really shave this down. You know, it's a beautiful trumpet, but I don't think we want this much of it. It's simple. We just take our favorite parts of it. There we go. Now, let's start actually processing it. Right? So that's pretty cool, and then we could apply some reverb to kind of gloss it up. Vocal papa, always. This guy works really great on pretty much anything brass. All right. Let's see where we're taking this. Yeah, we'll do an extended dropout over here. Them right on that pickup note. Goodness. Let's try to bring this home. We need like rain and stuff. Pull out BBC Symphony Orchestra. Because I feel like we could do a little bit of a counterpoint with like some glockenspiel or Celeste maybe. Alright, I'm gonna minimize this. So I actually think I'm gonna do something kind of strange. We are gonna compress this, and then we're gonna EQ a little bit aggressively, I think. Actually, that fits nice in the background now that we've turned it down quite a bit volume-wise, but we also compressed it so you can still hear the ringing of it. I still feel like we could dress this down even further. Let's try that little vinyl plugin, see what that does to this, if it helps mute it, tame it down a little bit. Yeah, it kind of helps tame it down just a smidge. It's not doing a whole lot because there's a very narrow band in the EQ. So when you run it through a filter, it's a little hit or miss, right? It's moving in the right direction though, so we're going to keep that. Let's pull out a utility now, and let's mono this. Oh yeah, we're starting to get somewhere. We'll like move it off to the left. See, it's like things like this that make me go, OTT, will you do something interesting for me? See, like, that's a little extreme, right? But it's giving us a lot of texture and stuff to work with. We can always turn it down. Maybe in the right ear. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, love me a bit of OTT, absolutely, man. I might love it a bit too much, and then it gets me in trouble. Oh man, and if we just fade there, what do you guys think? Long fade out maybe on this one? And then, I mean, guys, I think we got a beat here. That was just a good vibe, man. Somebody get Freddie Gibbs on the phone. I got a beat for him.